Hello everyone. Here is the problem that we are solving in this video. A force of 10 Newton is acting on a body at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal. Then what is the force on the x-axis is the question. Let us try to visualize and draw a diagram to the given problem. So this is x-axis, body. On this body there is a force is acting. How is that force is acting? With an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal. This is what our horizontal is. So to this horizontal, a force is acting, making an angle 60 degree. Then how much of that force is there along x-axis is the question that is being asked here. Now, this force who is making an angle 60 degree with x-axis is neither completely along x-axis, this is whatever x-axis is, nor completely along y-axis. But being force is a vector, this force is a vector. What do you mean by a vector? Who is having magnitude, who is having direction, and also satisfying the laws of vectors. So, a vector who is in between x-axis, y-axis, that is not in one direction, can be resolved as components of how much is there along x-axis, how much is there along y-axis. Let me draw a perpendicular line down to the x-axis. This angle is known for me already 60 degree. So this vector now can be resolved into components as this is a right angle triangle, you can say OAB. In this right angle triangle, I want an adjacent side, which I call it like fx. So in the right angle triangle, if I want adjacent side and I know the hypothesis, I shall take cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent side by hypothesis. Adjacent side is fx, hypothesis is f. Then fx is equal to f cos theta. F value is given to you in the problem 10 Newton. Angle also given for you 60 degree. So 10 cos 60 and sin 30 both are equal 1 by 2. So that is equal to 5 Newton. So this much of the force is acting along x-axis. So out of that 10 Newton, the force acting along x-axis is 5. Similarly, you can find out how much of the force is acting along y-axis by finding the y component is. This is the y component, Fy, being this is parallelogram, this also will be equal to Fy. To get that Fy, I can take sine theta in the right angle triangle. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypothesis, that is Fy by F. That implies Fy is equal to F sine theta. F is 10, sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. That is 5 root 3 Newton. So how much is there along y-axis is 5 root 3 Newton. Don't see it like a normal scalar mathematics that 5 and 5 root 3 are not equal to 10. Actually, they are equal to 10. Let me show you how that is, right? So if you consider a vector f bar, this f bar is having x component as well as y component. To say it is along x-axis, I will multiply with I cap, which is a unit vector along x-axis. And to say it is y-axis, I will multiply with j cap, which is a unit vector along y-axis. We found fx as 5 I cap. We find fy as 5 root 3 j cap. So that 10 Newton making an angle 60 degree with x-axis can be resolved as 5 and 5 root 3 along x-axis and y-axis. If you check its magnitude, magnitude of the vector is root of x component square plus y component square. So that is root of 25 and 25 root 3 whole square is 3. 25 into 3 is 75. 75 into 25 is root 100. That is equal to 10 Newton. So you get back your 10 Newton. 10 Newton has not gone anywhere. It's only identified as how much is there along x-axis and how much is there along y-axis. That's how we have to solve the problem. Thank you for watching.